You're gonna cut the cake?
Beautiful. He cut the cake.
Yeah.
The beef cake.
Cake.
Come and put your name on it. He want that cake.
Cake.
You ready?
Ready, guys? Silence.
It doesn't make noise. Oh.
Oh my God.
Hey, no camera.
Show me the money. Oh man, juicy. I'm gonna take a shot, slow shot from water, slowly panning towards barbecue. Look at this. Unicorn, real unicorn in the club.
It looks good.
Perfect. So guys, this is a barbecue for leaving due for Mr. Eric, Aung and Bryce. Eric, are you sad you're leaving us?
Yes, very much.
Will you come back?
I will come back.
You promise?
Yep, I promise.
So Eric is like a snowbird. So you heard of snowbirds? So he's like a heat bird. He comes here for the heat. And when it gets too much heat, he flies off.
It's true. Yeah, on my migratory pattern.
Traitor. He leaves us here in the heat to burn, and he has freedom to move around because he has his mobile home. He owns a mobile home. So Aung, Bryce, and Eric, they're leaving. So Nick and Olivia organized. Joe also. Man, everyone is leaving. I think I'll be the only one riding in the heat here. Ladies and gentlemen, now time to give a gift out. Bryce, don't go anywhere.
I'm trying to go bathroom. All right, guys, real quick. Let's gather up.
Hey, watch yourself, fool. Why are you smiling so much?
All right.
Embarrassing.
But just real quick, just wanted to thank everybody for coming out.
Thank you, everybody.
Farewell Fiesta for Bryce, Eric, Aung, Joe. Joe couldn't make it. He's got family in town.
I'll be gone.
Well,
Okay, stand in line, whoever is leaving us. So we know
for the video.
So who's leaving? Who else is leaving? Who else? Where's Eric? We gotta embarrass you guys.
Yeah. So I'll try and make this pretty short and sweet.
Traitors.
Isn't that crazy? Our two out-of-towners actually have the injuries right now. But
Traitors.
real quick, just so they don't melt, guys. So they don't melt. You know, EUCAC's really taken on a cool form this year. Not that I knew what it was like before this year because I'm new too, but you know, we have transients. We've had transients pretty much all year. People that I thought would only be here for maybe a month or two at most, but they ended up sticking around. Really core members of the crew and add a lot of spice and flavor. And it's just been a lot of fun having them around.
I'm going to say Asian spice. It ain't no salt and pepper. It's a little paprika in there.
Hopefully in the fall they'll come back and hang out with us again. And then, you know, Bryce started EUCAZ, and
Original.
you know,
OG.
he's the reason why we're all here, and he's going to be taking off with his family to Illinois.
Dancing baby is leaving us.
It's going to be super weird without him around here, but we definitely we have something that Gerren made for you. And,
Oh, snap.
all the guys and everybody sign on the back.
Oh,
for you. Just so when you're feeling a little cold in the wintertime in Illinois, you can look over at the wall.
in there. Throws in the fire.
And,
We wanted to give you a log.
Gerren made that.
I really appreciate your hard
It's all
work,
good. It's all good. Gerren, come over. Gerren.
But yeah, it's gonna be very bittersweet. The dynamic in the group is gonna change quite a bit here in the next couple of months. But you know, we're gonna keep riding, and we wish these guys the best in the next chapter. And we really look forward to having them back for visits and all that good stuff. So thank you guys for everything that you guys do. It's been like so cool riding with you guys, and just doing all these events and having just people to chit chat with like minds and stuff. So we wish you guys the best.
What you gotta say about the dancing baby we losing?
Dancing bear, our dancing bear. I'm gonna miss the Macarena. What can I say?
Who are you passing down the mascot role to? No one's stepping up to filling your shoes.
Of course there will be right. After barbecue, farewell, goodbye. Now time for a ride.
I finished it, so I don't even have a cooler for it. So if you guys want to throw it in,
Did you guys enjoy the barbecue?
Yes, it was very good. I'm still picking at mine.
Oh, look at her. She's doing her color. Enjoyed barbecue? Yeah. Why you said it in a suspicious way? Like you didn't like it.
I was guessing. I don't know.
You didn't. Oh, you didn't try it.
I don't eat this early.
Oh, okay.
I'm too tired.
You just woke up.
This is early for me. I'd probably be sleeping.
I should be asleep right now, but
I work I work till like 1 or 2 in the morning. And then
This is like Arizona thing, right? People start their day a little bit late, right?
I didn't get off work until 5:30. I should be asleep right now, but I'm here.
Yeah, same here, man. I work at like from 1 in the morning to 9. These are the heights of entertainment. Heights of entertainment. Look at these beasts. Look at these beasts. Hey. No, man. It's too powerful for me, man.
Oh yeah, I put them there.
kind of like it.
So it's all Olivia. It's her
You made them.
dream couple. Winter clothing. You need to take off his shirt. You need to take off his shirt. It's summer. Heading down to Horse Statue Place, Greenbelt, famous most wanted UC path in Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenix, Arizona, Greenbelt is one of the main bit where you ride your UC and any PEV. Look at it. Look at this money. Sherman Max, EXN, S18, Sherman, Hi-Fi, high performance scooters. What's the name of this scooter? Visa 10. Visa 10. So in front of us, it's Mike. I don't know, this is a Mike thing, like whoever got named Mike, they don't wear helmet. Is it a Mike thing? Mikes never wear helmet. All the Mikes in the world.
Yes.
There's a Mike from Sweden,
Yes.
old famous Mike. He never wears helmet. You, Mike, never wear helmet. Okay, hill is about to start. I don't know if you can see in the camera. We have to climb that mountain. Okay, Bryce, see you in the next life.